In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your school community group name. Whether you're rebranding your community or simply want a fresh new look, updating your group name can be a powerful step in representing your community's identity. So, let's get started on this easy and straightforward process. First, open your preferred web browser and enter Skool into Google search. Once you've done that, you'll want to click on the first search result that appears. This should take you directly to the Skool homepage. Now you'll need to log into your Skool account. Simply input your usual credentials and you'll be granted access to your personal dashboard. Don't worry if you've forgotten your password. Skool makes it easy to reset it by following the prompts on the login page if necessary. Once you're logged in, navigate to the upper right corner of the page. You'll see several icons there. Click on the arrows. This will expose a list of options associated with your account and communities. Browse through this list until you spot the community group for which you'd like to change the name. Click on that particular group to enter its settings. Now that you're in the community dashboard, the next step is to find the settings option. It's usually located somewhere on the page, often towards the top right or left. Click on settings to enter the configuration area of your group. In the settings menu, look for a tab labeled general. This is where you'll be able to modify key aspects of your group. Click on general to open up options for customization. With the general settings open, you should see a field indicating the current group name. Here's where the magic happens. Click into this field and type in your desired new name for the community group. Make sure your new name captures the essence and goals of your community, as it will be the first thing many people see. After you've entered the new group name, take a moment to double check that everything looks correct and ensure there are no typos or mistakes. When you're satisfied with the new name, proceed to save your changes. Depending on the interface, there might be a save button you'll need to click to finalize everything. And with that, you've successfully changed your school community group name. Remember, this process is not only about altering a few words, it's about redefining and reinforcing what your community stands for. So take your time when selecting a name and ensure it aligns with your community's mission and values. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Good luck with your community endeavors!